Symptoms of a bad steering rack. Have you ever felt like your car is mind of its own? Or maybe it's just not steering the way it used to? Well, there's a good chance your steering rack might be to blame. In this video, we'll dive deep into the symptoms of a bad steering rack and what you can do about it. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling an important topic that affects your vehicle's handling and safety: the steering rack. The steering rack is a critical component in your car's steering system, and when it starts to fail, it can make driving a real challenge. How can you tell if your steering rack is on its last legs? Stick around, and I'll walk you through the key symptoms, what they mean, and why it's crucial to address them early. First, a quick refresher. What does the steering rack do? It's the bridge between your steering wheel and your car's wheels. When you turn the wheel, the steering rack moves to steer the wheels in the right direction. In most modern cars, it's part of the power steering system, which uses hydraulic or electric assistance to make steering easier. But like any component, the steering rack can wear out over time, especially if your car is older or if you frequently drive on rough roads. Alright, let's jump into the 5 symptoms of a bad steering rack. Number 1 symptom: difficulty turning the steering wheel. If your steering suddenly feels stiff or heavy, especially at lower speeds, it's a major red flag. This can happen because the hydraulic pressure in the power steering system isn't reaching the rack properly, or because the rack itself is damaged. Number 2 symptom: steering wheel slippage. Have you ever turned your steering wheel only for it to slip back or feel loose? That's a red flag for steering rack issues. Number 3 symptom: strange noises when steering. If you hear clunking, knocking, or grinding noises when you turn the wheel, it could mean the internal components of the steering rack are damaged or misaligned. Number 4 symptom: leaking power steering fluid. A bad steering rack can cause seals to wear out, leading to leaks. Look for a red or pink fluid under your car, or check the power steering reservoir if you notice a drop in fluid levels. Number 5 symptom: uneven or unusual tire wear. A failing steering rack can cause your wheels to go out of alignment, which leads to uneven tire wear. If you notice one side of your tires wearing faster than the other, don't just assume it's normal wear and tear. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.